Another day, another story. Welcome to our discussion on the intriguing topic, can engineers create the universe? This is a fascinating and often controversial question that has captured the imaginations of scientists, philosophers, and theologians alike. In this video, we will explore the possibilities of engineering the universe and unpack a philosophical argument that argues it can be done. First, let's begin by defining what we mean by the universe. The universe is a vast and complex system that contains all matter, energy, and space. It is the sum total of everything that exists, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies. So, can engineers create such a massive and intricate system? Many scientists and researchers believe that engineering the universe is theoretically possible. They argue that the universe operates on certain laws of physics and that if we can understand and manipulate these laws, we could potentially create a new universe. These scientists point to the Big Bang theory, the prevailing theory of how the universe was formed, which posits that the universe began as a highly compact and dense region and then rapidly expanded to its current size and complexity. They suggest that if we could replicate the conditions that existed during the Big Bang, we could create a new universe. However, some scientists are highly skeptical of this claim. They argue that we do not fully understand the underlying physics of the universe and that our current technology is nowhere near advanced enough to engineer a new one. Still, others suggest that even if we could create a new universe, there are deeper philosophical questions to consider. For instance, would the new universe be entirely free from our influence, or would our actions in engineering it become part of its fabric? This brings us to the philosophical argument of pantheism, which suggests that God and the universe are one and the same. Under this view, engineers are already creating the universe through their actions and inventions, as they shape and alter the natural world. From this perspective, engineering the universe is not only possible but is happening every day. In conclusion, the question of whether engineers can create the universe is a complicated and thought-provoking one. While there is no clear answer, the discussion sparks insights into what we know and don't know about the universe and our place in it. Whatever your view on this topic, one thing is certain: our universe is a remarkable and awe-inspiring creation that continues to captivate us. Thanks for watching.